Welcome to this absolutely lovely 1974 Alfa Romeo GTV. With known California ownership since the early 90s, let's start it up and take it for a spin, and we'll catch you up on the details when we finish. If you're looking for a great GTV, trust me, this is the one you want. Owned for 22 years by an Alfa mechanic here in the Bay Area who used to work for Rogers Automotive and famed Ferrari restoration expert Patrick Otis before opening his own company, this car is in a rare shade of Verde Pino and turns heads everywhere it goes. The underside is absolutely as clean as the top side with all the original spot welds. Everything looks amazing. If you really want a great GTV, come check this out at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you.